Welcome. If you want to stay connected with the people you follow on Pinterest, there's a new update that makes it easier than ever to receive inbox messages from them right on your PC. Today, I'll walk you step by step through the process to enable inbox messages from your following so you never miss an important conversation or creative idea. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Pinterest.com. Make sure you're logged into your Pinterest account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Social Permissions. Click on it to open up more options related to how you interact with others on Pinterest. This is where you control who can send you messages and how those messages are handled. Now, under the Messages section, you'll notice an option next to Following. Click on the Edit button right beside it. A new window will pop up, giving you choices for how you want to receive messages from the people you follow. To enable inbox messages, simply select the option labeled Inbox. This ensures that any messages sent by users you follow will go directly to your Pinterest inbox, making it easy to keep track of conversations and respond promptly. Once you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the window. This will apply your changes and activate the new messaging setting. And that's it. You've now enabled inbox messages from your following on Pinterest using your PC. With this update, you can enjoy seamless communication and never miss a message from your favorite creators or friends. Give it a try and make the most of your Pinterest experience. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.